Hello everyone, my name is Subrat Murmu and today I will tell you in this video how you can improve your English. I know there are many learners from village like me. They are struggling a lot to improve their English. But today I will tell you even how you can improve your English. Okay? So first thing, to improve your English, you have to have the desire. You have to have that temerity to face the difficulty that will come in your learning journey. As such, happened with me. Okay, many trouble comes, and I try to overcome them. So here, if you are thinking of learning this language, so you have to be ready for taking the step for confronting those trouble, those fear. Okay, so in this video, I will tell you what are the most important things that you have to always remember when you are trying to improve your English, when you are taking the resolution to learn the communication. Okay, so first thing, as a beginner, I will tell you, you have to start from listening. Okay, so what happened as a English as a second language, so what you have to do is listen. Okay, start listening from cartoon. Okay, we all love watching cartoon, so choose English cartoon, a cartoon which is in English, and listen to those cartoon really carefully when you're watching it. Listen to the conversation. Okay, when you listen to that conversation over and again, so it somewhere helps you to improve your structure. Okay, I mean it helps you to improve your rhetoric part of your speaking. Okay, if you want to improve the syntax, so you have to listen, because listening helps a lot, believe me. Because when I was beginner, first thing that I have done was listening. I listen fast, and I used to listen a lot. Even still I do listen. I listen a lot. Every single day I do listen, every single day. So listening is part and parcel of this language. You have to always remember, listening is part and parcel. You have to always listen and try to engage yourself with listening a lot. I mean listening in the sense, listen all the time whenever you are having spare time. Okay, all the time in the sense, whenever you are having spare time at home, whenever you think like I have no work to do, so just go and sit and listen. Okay, listen podcast, you can watch cartoon which are in English, so it helps you to improve your it helps you to improve your pronunciation, it helps you to improve your vocabs, it helps you to improve your communication as well. So that was the first things, maiden things that I have done, okay, to improve my communication. And you can also follow, and I believe it will definitely help you to be a really cognizant speaker, and it will help you to be a really, I would say, really amazing speaker. Okay, believe me, it will definitely work. Okay, just you have to have the faith that you can improve, and just be with the practice. Keep practice, try to practice every single day. Don't skip your practice, because once you start skipping your practice, so your ability for speaking will somewhere being deteriorated. Okay, will be deteriorated. Okay, so what I'm saying, that listen fast, after listening try to speak. Okay, there are many learners who will tell you that no, you should go for um, speaking fast, but believe me, you can't speak. How can you speak when when English language is your second language, right? You need an environment, so now you need to create your environment. But how? Is through listening. Okay, listen fast, listen every single day, because what happened when you are at home, so you keep listening to your mom, dad, whatever conversation they're having at home, so it just keep repeating, and that's how you remember those conversations. But now if you want to be a good English speaker, so you have to listen English conversation. Okay, it helps you to remember them, and it also helps you to apply them when you are talking with someone. Okay, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. Okay, making mistake is a great thing because it helps you to improve, okay, your communication. It helps you to improve yourself. So thank you so much. I hope you got whatever I'm trying to explain, and I will see you in next video. Okay, thank you so much.